Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. Happy February. Today I'm doing the CurlBox unboxing for February 2022. Something extra, I guess, is on top because it's a bigger box again. Okay, the first item before I open the actual CurlBox is this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hair Food. It is a smoothing and frizz control styling mousse and it's for dry, rough, frizz-prone hair. It's pure honey, coconut oil, and avocado. And here it is right here. And here is this CurlBox. Okay. Here's the booklet. It says Better Beauty. Let's go through what's in this box. First, let's start with shampoo. This is the new Cream of Nature Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Detangle and Slip Shampoo for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair. It's a butter blend, flaxseed oil, and argan oil. It has no sulfates, no mineral oil, no silicones, no petroleum, no paraffin. This looks interesting. And it says detangle and slip shampoo. Usually you don't get that from a shampoo. Next is the new Cream of Nature Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Detangle and Slip Rinse Out and Leave-In Conditioner. So this one, I guess, is for both. If you want to leave it in, you can. If you want to rinse it out, you can do that also. The next item is the Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Curl Definer and Booster. So it also has that butter blend, flaxseed oil, and argan oil. This is interesting. Then next, we have the Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Stretch and Define Pudding. So this says it could be for twists, shingles, coils, or wash and go. And it says for this one, for added hold, pair with the Double Duty Elongate and Define Jelly. We don't have that here, but that's something I might get to add to the line. For the leave-in, this just says finger comb to separate, define, wrap hair around fingers, air dry, or diffuse. Okay, next is this new Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hair Food. It's a damage prevention 24-hour nourishing cream. It's for protection before, during, and after protective styles. It has pure honey, coconut oil, shea butter, and acai butter. It's really purple. I guess that's the berry. Let's see if I can smell it. Oh, it smells. That smells really good. That smells good. And last but not least, I got 2 nail polishes. So this one has a sticker that says sneaker-like texture, and the other one has a sticker that says scent like eucalyptus. Both sounds really interesting. So this one is the Sinful Colors Bold Color in Double Time, and it says it has a sneaker-like texture. I'll be trying that. And this is the Sinful Colors Bold Color in Eucalyptahhh. So it's scented like eucalyptus. So I can't wait to try these and see if it really has that texture and it has that scent. So that was the February CurlBox. It looks interesting. These are items that I've never seen. I haven't seen one of these items before. So I'm very interested in trying it out and I'm excited to see how it works. Let me know if you've tried any of these out or if you're interested in using them. Comment down below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you like this shirt that I'm wearing? It's a length check shirt, long sleeve, and I have the lines in the front. You can also get it with the lines in the back. Measure your hair growth. Or you can get it with both. The link for this shirt is down below. And if you put in this code, you get a one-time 25% off for being a Curly Beauty subscriber. Good luck on your hair growth journeys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.